Welcome back. In this lecture, let's learn how to filter the records. Let's use the result of expression method. We have the data set over here. Let's filter the records where salary is greater than 15,000. Let's create a new method. Def filter. Let's say data is equal to row for row in the result of expression method. Let's print the data. Now let's filter out the results. Let's return row for row in data if row of index of salary is 2, employee ID is 0, name is 1, and salary is 2. Row of 2 is greater than 15,000. Let's call filter method. Let us also print the same method. We got only the salary greater than 15,000. Instead of having this data variable, we can also pass the method directly. Let's say return row for row in self dot expression if row of 2 is greater than 15,000. We don't need this data variable. We can also filter the records using filter method. Return filter lambda row of 2 greater than 15,000 of the data set self dot expression. These are the different methods to filter the records from a data set. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.